Hello friends, welcome to our channel Astronomy Arc. We're your guides to the vast, mysterious universe, helping you unravel the secrets of the cosmos. From the tiniest particles to the grandest galaxies, we explore it all. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the heart of our solar system, the Sun. It's not just a giant glowing orb in the sky, but a life-giving force, a celestial enigma and a powerhouse of energy. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the world of stars, starting with our very own Sun. Let's begin. Have you ever stopped to ponder the significance of that blazing ball of fire in the sky we call the Sun? A thought-provoking question indeed, wouldn't you agree? Let's delve into it. The Sun, our very own star, is a powerhouse of energy, a beacon of life, and the heart of our solar system. It generously bestows upon us the gifts of heat and light, without which our world would be an icy, lifeless rock. It's the sun's light that plants use to whip up their daily meals in a process we call photosynthesis, essentially making the sun the cornerstone of all life on Earth. Even the weather patterns we experience are driven by the sun. From the gentle breeze that caresses your face to the mighty hurricanes that sometimes leave us in awe of nature's power, all owe their existence to the sun. As the center of our solar system, the sun's immense gravitational pull keeps all the planets in their respective orbits. Without the sun, our existence would quite literally be left in the dark. But what exactly is this magnificent celestial body, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the sun's fascinating characteristics. At its core, the sun is a massive glowing sphere of hot gas, mainly composed of hydrogen and helium. This is no ordinary gas, mind you, but the kind that's heated to an incredibly high temperature. We're talking millions of degrees Celsius here, folks. Now, the sun isn't just a chaotic ball of burning gas. No, it has a well-defined structure, much like an onion, but far more scorching and a bit less likely to make you cry when you cut into it. The sun's structure consists of several layers, each playing a distinct role. The innermost layer is the core, where the magic happens, and by magic I mean nuclear fusion. This is where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. Surrounding the core, we have the radiative zone. Here, energy generated in the core travels outward, bouncing around like a pinball for thousands of years before reaching the next layer. Next up is the convective zone, where hot gas bubbles rise to the surface, cool down, and then sink back down, much like a fiery lava lamp. It's here that energy finally breaks free and makes its way to the surface. Then we reach the photosphere, the visible surface of the sun that emits the light and heat we feel here on Earth. Above that, we have the chromosphere and the corona, where solar flares and other exciting solar phenomena occur. The sun surely knows how to keep things hot and exciting. So the sun is not just a simple ball of fire, but a complex dynamic system that keeps our solar system in check. It's a perfect balance of chaos and order, a celestial dance of energy and matter. It's a testament to the incredible forces at play in our universe and a reminder of our place within it. Now that we've uncovered what the sun is, how does it keep the solar system in line? Well, imagine the sun as the schoolyard bully flexing its muscles. This celestial giant has a gravitational pull so strong it keeps all the planets in our solar system strutting around it in well-defined orbits. Just like the schoolyard bully, the sun's gravitational pull is so immense, none of the planets dare to step out of line. It's the gravitational glue that holds our solar system together. Now, the sun doesn't just throw its weight around in the form of gravity, it also spews out solar wind. This isn't the sort of wind that messes up your hair on a blustery day. No, this is a stream of charged particles constantly flowing out from the sun and influencing the shape of the solar system. Here's a little something to lighten the mood. You know, the sun might not be a great dancer, but it sure knows how to keep the planets spinning. Continuing on, the solar wind extends far beyond the furthest planet, forming a bubble around the solar system. This bubble is called the heliosphere. The solar wind's influence extends to the edge of this heliosphere, shaping the boundary of our solar system. So it's not just gravity that the sun uses to keep the solar system in check. It's also this solar wind, this constant rush of particles that helps form the shape of our cosmic neighborhood. And let's not forget, the sun's influence isn't just limited to our solar system. The light and heat it emits reaches our planet, making life as we know it possible. It's the ultimate source of energy, the life-giving force behind our existence. Indeed, the Sun is the solar system's very own celestial conductor, orchestrating the movements of its planetary ensemble. So, the next time you feel the warmth of the Sun on your face, remember, you're feeling the touch of the solar system's very own maestro. So, we've journeyed through the Sun's fiery layers and witnessed its cosmic influence, but what are the key takeaways? Let's recap the highlights of our solar sojourn, starting with the basic fact that the Sun is the heart of our solar system. This massive fiery sphere is not only our primary source of light and heat, but it also provides the energy that fuels life on Earth. Without the Sun, our planet would be a lifeless, frozen rock hurtling through space. The Sun's enormous gravitational pull keeps all the planets in our solar system tethered in their orbits. It's like the captain of a cosmic ship, steering us through the vast sea of space. And it's not just the planets that are under its influence. Comets, asteroids, and even some distant dwarf planets also dance to the Sun's celestial tune. Diving deeper into the Sun, we've discovered that it's a complex, dynamic entity. Its outermost layer, the corona, is a million-degree mystery, hotter than the surface itself. Beneath that, the photosphere, where the intense light and heat we experience on Earth originates. And at the very heart of the Sun, in its core, nuclear fusion takes place, creating the energy that powers our star and, in turn, our world. But the Sun is not just a life-giving powerhouse. It's also a force of nature that can unleash tremendous energy in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These solar storms, as they're known, can interfere with our technology, reminding us of our vulnerability in the face of cosmic forces. In essence, the Sun is the ultimate source of life, a celestial engine that powers our existence. It's an astronomical wonder, a fiery symbol of constancy and change, life and destruction. So next time you enjoy a sunny day, remember you're basking in the glow of a celestial powerhouse that makes life as we know it possible. Now, isn't that a bright thought?